So it is not the biggest snowstorm we've ever had. It's the biggest system we've had so far this season, with the exception of Ocean County.
Storm watch and the incoming snow. The New York City Department of Sanitation has issued a snow alert starting tonight at 7. Mayor Adams says crews will be ready to keep the roads clear.
With my Department of Sanitation Commissioner and Deputy Commissioner, and they are ready. These guys are professionals. They can move the snow, get our city up and operating, and we're going to be ready for the storm.
It's hella freaking snowing.
Tons of salt that the city has for the winter. We've seen crews out for hours now, brining city streets ahead of this storm that will certainly make for a messy morning commute and a potentially dangerous one.
Other jobs and hurdles that we have to pass over. But we're going to win today, and we're going to continue to win in the future. That is what it means to be a New Yorker.